track it for you and send you monthly reports telling you how many people have come to your site this month, how far into your site they've gone. Did they just hit the home page, or did they go 6 pages in? And did they hit the contact us page and send you an email? So there is it depends on what you're looking for, but we can generate very detailed analytics for you from your website.
What about like e-business as far as customers being able to log on your website, purchase product? You guys can do that, and how does that work as far as you know, if I have a distribution business, if a hospital wants to go on the website and order product, and I want to load in every single product code and whatnot, so they can just click on it. And can you also keep their credit cards on file for reorders, things like that?
So what you're speaking of probably would require a database, which is a little bit more complicated and probably out of our scope for the project that we're doing. The e-commerce that we do right now is we can put something on your site that links to PayPal or Google Checkout, and they would have the credit card information, so you wouldn't. It's actually a lot more secure. So yes, you can do that. You can do that with a site, but we're probably not your right.
At this point in time, because it is for a class, the scope is a little bit narrower, yes. Although if we continue this outside of the class, it is likely that we will expand our capabilities.
What happens when the domain name? Like, if I want a certain domain name, do you help with that, or?
Absolutely. We help you with the whole process so that it's seamless, and basically you tell us what you're looking for, and after about 2 to 3 weeks, we have your site up online for you. All you have to do is tell us what you would like, help us decide whether you want what template you would want, pass on the content to us, and we'll go over it a week, 2 weeks later for a review, and we'll have it up in 3 weeks. So.
I know that when I do a search, and I think it's some rubbish, because the domain name is so close to the keyword that I type in my search. One has nothing to do with the other.
Their prices are very, very cheap since they are in a school building, so you can contact them with that. And even for an update, if you already have a website and you want to update.
How long is this project going to be in effect? If we were to, let's say, utilize their services, and then next year we need to change something.
Yeah, so the class itself lasts until June, but we have the choice of continuing to run it, and currently it's looking like a very viable business. So
the answer is that they're going to continue with the business.
So I wouldn't worry about us totally just like taking out of you after June.
That's just when the price change.
Yeah.
But you're going to be the first clients, so you're going to have the chance to have the prices now.
The other answer to your question is that all the coding that we use is neat and tidy, so that if you were to have to take it to somebody else, they wouldn't look at it and be confused by the coding and basically require to redo your entire site. We make sure that if you at some point in time want to move to somebody else, or if at some point in time for some reason we don't continue this, that it would be very easy for another developer to see what we've done and make it very easy for them to make any changes in the future.
Okay, for more questions, contact them directly, and we need to continue with the class. Thank you very much.
Thank you for your time.
I do want to point out these 3 individuals are former students of mine from different classes. So.
How they do?